so lekker. Huh? Ja. Woe. Lekker. Mama, you ready for another adventure? I whisper. Let's go. Hi, Mama, and just like that, huh? We here.
Yeah.
And we had a wardrobe change.
Yeah, we had a wardrobe change.
Because people, helmet hair
It's a bad thing.
is a real thing.
Yeah.
It's a real thing.
You don't want to have that. I know my hair is still a mess, but it's a controlled mess.
It's a controlled mess.
Yeah.
Lekker. Oh, we're talking nonsense.
Yeah.
Welcome to Ceres.
Yes.
We're in the beautiful Ceres. I'm just looking there and I just see
Oh,
mountains and vineyards and orchards and it's just beautiful.
Yeah, and this container house is sitting once again on its own.
Yeah.
Nobody near you.
It's so nice. It's so
Yeah.
nice. And the place's name is Whispering Woods.
Yes.
Because there's a big, I'll show you on the drone shots later, there's a big tree at the back.
Yeah.
And this tree, when the wind blows, it whispers.
Yeah, and you're supposed to whisper.
Oh
as
shit,
well.
I must be quiet, sorry.
Oh, you must be
you
very
said we must be quiet
quiet.
because
Oh,
it's
goodness.
Whispering Woods.
It's whispering woods. If you want to hear the sounds, you must whisper.
Mama, I can't whisper.
Oh my goodness, my ears, my ears.
But
Okay,
listen,
so-
I've got the hot tub going. Yeah,
Yeah, and I want to ask you to join us on this nice tour.
a tour of this beautiful place.
This tour of
I
this
must say,
nice,
it's
beautiful
amazing.
place.
It is very
in
nice.
the nature, it's
Yeah.
very nice.
I'm excited for this weekend.
Yeah. Come follow me.
I'm on your heels.
I'm
I'm
on
on
my
your
heels.
heels.
So this is where we're going to have a nice dinner tonight.
Mama, nice stoep, huh?
Very nice, big stoop.
Very nice big stoep, yeah.
Yeah,
For a
yeah.
container room is very nice
Very
and
good.
big.
Yeah.
Wow, and yeah. This
Tree
is
of life.
for tonight. A tree of life.
Mm.
Jeez.
Okay, so when you get here, you open this nice
Sliding doors.
and you straight into the kitchen.
And I see
Yeah.
that block is on wheels.
Yeah,
That
it's like
table.
a butcher's block.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, yeah.
And they've got here. They've got the bottle opener, everything for the this.
I'm gonna need that tonight.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, and if you come around this side,
Nice
the
flowers.
kitchen. Yeah, very nice.
They left us some nice flowers.
Flowers
And what did they leave
and-
us? I like presents, Mama. Show
I
me the
know you
presents
the
first. I like presents.
Okay, first is the glasses, all the glasses.
That's not the present.
Sorry. Okay, and then you got the cups and for coffee tomorrow morning. Nice. I like these. I want coffee in these.
Oh, wow.
The golden
Golden
delicious.
cups.
And if you
Jeez.
buy wood or you want to tip them, you put it in this little box.
Pet money.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
What is that?
So this is nice crisps. Sweet,
Sweet
potato,
potato
crisps.
crisps. Oh.
Creamy curry flavor. Oh,
Oh,
my goodness.
lekker
This
curry.
is your favorite.
Mama, I love curry. Thai
Oh.
curry.
And let's see. They left
That looks
us
very
two
interesting.
Ciders. It's a Loxtonia cider, African Sundowner, Butt Pup flavor, apple cider.
Okay, so we're gonna do that for sundowner tonight.
Yes, we'll put
Lekker.
that in the fridge.
Lekker.
And this is a
What the hell?
fruit shot. Protein fruit shot. So you open it and you
When
Gobble it down.
When I hear shot, I'm excited.
I know, you're so excited. And then there's salt and pepper, and then there's your cutlery.
Okay, so everything.
They've got
You
coffee.
don't have to bring anything because
They've got
we
everything.
came with a bike, so we didn't bring anything.
Yeah, they've got everything.
They've got everything.
There's all your amenities you need
Utensils.
for the
Yeah,
bride
okay.
tonight.
Mama, I hope there's a bigger grid than that.
I'm sure.
Sure, that is minute. That's just for the
But
braaibroodjies,
if
man.
you see what we are buying, that's going to fit. Because we're only two and we eat not much these days.
you eat like a mouse.
Okay.
Oh, there's a hoot behind
There's
you.
a nice hoot that
On a gas hob.
you're going to make some coffee tomorrow.
What is?
There's all the pots and pans. There's another coffee maker. And there's
Oh,
the
pots.
pots.
Oh,
they
pots.
give you the
Lekker.
pots for the coffee
Okay,
maker.
nice.
There's a lot of coffee, sugar, tea,
Jeez.
tea bags, everything you prefer. You can just take
Yeah,
there.
that's nice.
Yeah.
Look at the nice view outside.
Nice view, yeah. Okay, so
and then
there's a
what
braaibak.
is this? I just want to ask you, what is this?
This is where you put your stuff if you want. You can use it for two things, I think.
Yeah?
If you want you've got meat you want to rinse or chicken that you want to rinse.
So I'm not far off because I thought I see these things in the takeaway shops for the chips. So they always throw the chips in there, and then they
in the
spice
fryer.
it. They spice it
Now
there.
listen, I'm not used to this grand stuff, so I just think it's for the meat.
Okay.
Otherwise, what I thought is I'll put like glasses in here so that they can.
But that's what this drying rack is
yeah,
for.
that's what the drying rack is
Yeah.
for. So yeah, people, if you know and you have fancy houses and stuff like this, tell us what it is.
Yeah, it's very interesting.
Yeah.
I don't know. And there's two of them.
Yeah,
one is a
obviously
bucket
it's
and-
for dripping. Something
Yeah.
dripping down there, but I don't know what.
Okay.
And then this, I'm not sure what this is either. Tell
Mama,
me.
we're stupid. This is the water.
Yeah, I know that's the water.
Oh, look at
look
that.
at that.
Oh, wow.
This is very
That's
nice.
like a waterfall, huh?
Oh,
Jeez. Fancy, huh?
yes, look at that.
Okay, cool.
But I want to know what this is.
I don't know. But
But
we'll figure it.
anyways.
I'll figure it out
And
later.
there's another gadget. I don't know what this is.
Ah, doesn't matter.
I'm
You know what? I think you put your
dumbstruck.
soap on there. You put your soap on there, then it can drip in here.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
There's a microwave.
A nice microwave, a nice big
fridge
freezer, and they give you a little milk for your coffee. I always like that because they always, some of these houses
Yeah.
gives you the coffee, the
But
tea,
not the milk.
but not the milk, and you
can't
forget
make,
the milk.
Yeah, and then you can't make
Yeah,
coffee.
so this is very
Mama,
nice.
I can put on a voorskoot tonight. You see?
all florally. Wow. Okay. Because
gonna-
you're in nature.
Yeah, I'm going to be busy tonight. but I think tonight I'm going to have clothes on underneath that because it's damn cold.
Yeah.
It's winter. The winter is here.
And serious can get
Yeah.
cold. Okay, so when you get out of the kitchen, you get into the bathroom.
Oh, look at the wallpaper.
Yeah, this
I know,
place
that's
is
your
very
favorite.
nice.
Oh.
Yeah, look at that.
Jeez,
Very nice.
huh?
Yeah.
Basin on one of those. This is also, again, modern and old mixed. Yeah.
Mixed, yeah. And it works.
Yeah, it works. Yeah.
Yeah,
Wow,
so
but this
nice
gives a nice feeling, huh?
Yeah.
It's like
You're in nature.
forest. Yeah.
Forest.
Sure.
Why? Because it's whispering woods.
Whisper. I must whisper.
Yeah, you must
sorry,
whisper.
sorry. There's
Okay,
the potty.
the potty. And this is also very interesting. Nice
that's
big. I
modern,
like
yeah,
this.
yeah.
And this is also very interesting for
Yeah,
me.
it's pipes.
Yeah, it's
It's
but
your
it's looks
towel rack.
very nice.
Yeah.
Big
Nice
big
high shower. I don't even have to.
know you're gonna fit
I don't
in
even
there.
have to. I just want to put it straight. I don't like a skew shower. Here we go.
Twee koppe.
Yeah, man, this is. You know what? The one is for my head and the one is for my back.
Oh.
So when you finish washing my back, I can just stand here and I can just psh on my back. Rinse it like that.
If you prefer, I just think this is like for your hair.
Yeah, man, that's just. I know.
Yeah,
I'm
and
just
spraying
joking.
and spraying and
I'm
spraying
just joking.
everywhere.
Okay, on to the next one.
Okay.
And you know what? This bathroom doesn't feel small.
No, it's big.
Yeah,
and
it's-
it feels nice and warm with all the windows.
Yeah,
and
although
the
it's
sun
not
coming
it's
in.
not a big house.
No.
It feels
Yeah.
quite larger.
It's still a container, but if you're inside, it doesn't feel like a container. Okay.
Okay, let's
So then
go
you
to
go
the room.
through the kitchen. So vinnig. Want
I
ons
just
was
wanna,
al hier.
I just want a couple left here. Just look at this. Just look at your view. Wow, wow, wow.
Yeah,
Huh?
like a stoop. But don't show
Very
it
nice.
outside. We're going to
Yeah.
do that last.
Yeah, okay.
So past the kitchen quickly and then you come into this amazing space.
Sure.
Look at this.
This is quite
Remember,
beautiful, huh?
it's a container
That is beautiful.
and it's big.
Maman, there's more wallpaper.
This is the beautiful
Jeez.
wallpaper
Huh?
for a room. I'll just love
Are we
it.
gonna lower these nets tonight?
You want to get kinky?
Mama.
Actually for
Hou
mosquitoes.
vir jou in. Sis man. Kinky. I didn't know you know that word.
But look, I used.
Yeah, it's an
I
open
already
cupboard again.
used the cupboard.
Oops. Yeah.
All our motorbike stuff is
Yeah.
filling it all up.
Yeah, that's what we
Yeah.
always. There's a lot of things that
It's
you have to
very
do.
nice.
Wear when you've got the bike.
Yeah. Okay, and then
Just
a
look
nice.
at this high bed.
I
Look
really
at this.
wanted
Look at
to
this.
say.
That is a high bed.
Yeah, and I must try it. I think it's very nice and soft. Yeah.
It looks soft, yeah.
Not soft, uncomfortable soft. Very, very comfortable.
Ooh, since you've been an Oma, you just never jump anymore.
I don't want to break a hip, man.
And then doctors can fix it.
No,
You
they
can't,
say.
you can't live your life.
They say.
Listen to me first. You can't live your life for what if I break a hip? What if I break a leg? What if? Then you're going to be a boring person. You must live your life, and then if it happens, you deal with it.
Oh, okay, doctor. Okay, so I see that this beds, and that is very nice for
lekker.
the winter.
Yeah,
They've
you're gonna
got-
need. I think we're gonna need that
they've
tonight.
got nice
We're definitely gonna need that
blankets
tonight.
on the bed.
Okay.
Okay, and if you go this side,
I see something.
very nice.
I see something. Do 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 do.
Why did you think I'm taking the seat?
Can
I'm
I-
waiting for you.
Can I pour us one?
Yes,
Huh?
please.
Can I pour us one? But
Please.
Mama, this is chili.
I
You
know,
see?
I know.
It's a chili chocolate. A chili
Pecorino.
chocolate. Wow. Ooh, I don't know if you're gonna drink this.
Just a little bit.
I don't know if you're gonna drink this.
Just a little bit.
Is ek bewe alweer? Why am I so
Jittery.
jittery? It's because of the
Because you
excitement.
can't wait for the brandy.
Yeah, it's because of the excitement of the motorbike. The exhilaration and the adrenaline. Mama, I just gave you a little bit.
Yes.
I say.
Thank you.
I just want to put the camera on your face because I think you're going to be very...
Bring me water.
This is going to be very interesting. Cheers. Thank you, Anita from Whispering Woods. This is going to be lekker. We're going to down it or you're going to sip it?
Now I'm going to see if I'm going to
I'm going to
burn my ass
I'm
off.
going to down mine. You're going to burn your ass off. Ooh. I taste the chocolate. Oh, and there comes the chili.
Oh.
Oh, Mama,
Okay.
you. There
Let
comes
me be
the chili.
honest.
Hmm?
Let me be honest. It's just a hint of chili. It's not so much.
Okay, but take us. My throat is burning
Because you
now.
take the whole
downed
glass.
it now. Yeah, I downed it. Ja, maar that's just a little sippy, Mama. Gooi die ding weg.
Nee man, dan brand my mond die heel dag lank.
Yeah, it's not that bad, but I can feel it in my throat.
Yeah. So sit there in my sitting room. Then I can explain the rest.
Yeah, and there's some wood there. They leave you wood for
Yeah.
the kacheltjie.
Yes. So they are very conscious about the winter.
Yeah, but we're in Ceres, Mama.
Yes. And also they are conscious about the summer because there's an aircon. I just spotted.
Ah, I see,
Yeah,
I see.
that's
Up
they-
there, yeah.
So they have been
Yeah. They prepared.
for summer and winter.
Look at this humongous TV.
Yeah.
Huh?
And there's Wi-Fi here.
There's full Wi-Fi.
so you can
I haven't
watch
I
all
haven't,
your TV programs you want to.
It's been a long time since we've been in one of these houses with such a big TV. Huh?
Yes.
Yeah, it's
And then I
nice.
see they've got like puzzles and they've got Scrabble.
Games.
Scrabble.
They give you blitz. I didn't bring anything. I didn't bring my Hugo's long tongue. I didn't bring my
Yeah,
feist lighters.
because where do you want to
Where
put
must
it?
I pack it? Yeah. We decided to come with a bike because what the hell is going on with this diesel price? Huh?
Yeah, my
The,
goodness.
the diesel price is going to force us to drive more motorcycle.
Yes.
Huh? That's lekker.
Luckily-
Yeah, luckily. We
Yeah.
haven't done it in a long time, so this is quite nice.
Just I wanted to say in this cupboard there's a nice big hairdryer.
Oh, no, I brought yours.
I know, but there's a nice big hairdryer, so this.
There's always space for a
Very
hairdryer
nice.
in the motorbike. Always.
But wait, there's more.
Yeah. And
Follow me.
this is more my department.
Your department.
The outside department.
Yes,
I
we've
love
got
it.
nice bags of wood.
They give you 2 bags of wood.
Yes, and,
And
if you want more,
I bought another one for the hot top there. Yeah,
Yeah,
they
it's-
delivered it just now.
45 rand a bag,
Yeah.
which is nice because it's nice big
Big
wood
pieces, yeah.
pieces. Okay, so
There's the Mama.
let's
Look at
go
this.
down here.
This is one of our favorite hot tops again. Top
Yeah.
ZA, huh? Wow, I'm just gonna get down here. Look at this, Garth.
Garth, look here.
We are gonna party in one of your hot tops tonight.
Oh, and what
Lekker.
a pleasure will that be?
Yeah, I love these hot tops.
Yo.
Nice. And this is clean
Bergwater.
mountain water, mountain
Yeah.
river water. Yeah, the guy said that they actually. Oh, it's low already. The guy
Yeah.
said that they tested the water a week or 2 ago, and
it's safe.
it's safe. Yeah,
For drinking
For
as
drinking,
well.
it's very nice for drinking, and it's
And I
clean.
must tell you, Garth, this is one of the best hot tubs that warms in about 1
two
to
hours.
2
yeah,
hours.
yeah, they're very quick. Yeah.
You just lit the fire
Yeah.
and it's already
Oh,
low.
well, everybody knows this is our favorite hot tub.
Yes. Oh, I can't wait to get in. But let's show them first.
Yeah, My favorite. Ooh, the sun is bright this afternoon, huh?
Okay, so you come on
After
this
the
side.
rain.
Come with a path.
Jeez.
Come with a path.
Ah, look at this. Why do I worry about the inside shower? Huh?
Yeah,
Why? Wow, this is so cool. Huh?
Wow.
Yes. See.
Look
One
at
is nice
this.
and
We
big
can
for us both.
fit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, this is so cool.
Ach, and I like to do this.
Nice high
I
shower
just love this.
to hang over there.
If you shower and you can look at
Yeah.
outside.
But then you need some animals walking past here.
Oh my goodness.
Some lekker giraffes and some
Oh,
elephants.
you can just be a baboon tonight again and then we've got animals.
I'm going to, after that chili drink, I'm going to be a baboon. Oh, this is quite nice. I like it.
And this is where you hang your
I'm definitely going to shower
towel.
here tomorrow morning. Definitely.
Yes. Okay. Okay, and then when you've
If
done
everything isn't frozen.
frozen, yeah. So if you're done showering, you can go straight down.
If I'm done showering
Yeah, if
in
you're
the
done
morning,
showering.
you want me to start caring in the morning.
No, you can have a lie on the hammock. Look at this nice
No,
hammock.
this is the kuier area. This is the
a
braai area.
area outside. It's been combed and
Nice,
everything.
nice.
Very cozy, very nice, very clean.
It's one of those what do you call these
Cement
cement
stools.
chairs again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jeez, but I like this. This one I'll test out. I know I can't break a hip here.
you can fall out of it.
No, I'm not going to do that.
Whoa, you see. Yes, say.
Heerlijk.
My love, can I go and get you a drinkie?
Yes, please.
Huh? While you lie and relax
I'm
here.
gonna stay right here.
Okay, I'll do that. Now you come and join me.
Okay.
We must still unpack.
So yeah, tonight we're going to have a fire.
Lekker bonfire here. I've got
Fire
enough wood.
while I'm swinging on my
Now,
hammock.
you're going to lie there tonight. I just know it.
I'm
Under
gonna
under the duvet.
I'm not going to get up.
Oh, this is beautiful, people.
Yeah.
I'm so in my element. I'm telling you, whenever we come to these places, it's just, nature just talks to me.
Yeah,
It just talks to me the whole time. I just want to be in nature the whole time.
But look at that
Yeah,
nice picture
so
there.
nice.
This is really a very nice.
Yeah, it's a nice setup. I like
yeah,
it.
wow.
And
And
look,
it's green.
I just wanted to say it's green, so it
Fits
blends
in.
blends in.
Yeah,
Yeah,
very nice.
Very nice.
And I see they've got solar lights outside in the pathway.
They've got solar. There's a lot of solar panels here. I saw some solar panels, and there's an inverter inside. So I think it's solar power they've got. So there's
See?
no load shedding if there's load shedding.
If there's too much sun, you can close the curtains. Look at that.
I see there on the stoop. Yeah,
Yeah.
you can close that. Yeah.
That's very nice,
that's cool,
very
yeah.
clever. Oh no, let's
Right,
go.
let's go and drink something.
Yeah.
We've got a surprise.
Surprise, surprise!
Surprise!
Ooh, roer hom, boetie, roer hom.
Mama, and this time I've got the spoon in the hand.
What's that
so
spoon?
you're not gonna hit me this time, huh?
Uh-huh.
Tap ZA.
Tap ZA.
Tap ZA, papi. This time I'm in charge.
Oh, want jy's die groot baas.
Ek is die groot baas. You funny. My love,
Ja.
I'm gonna put some more wood in.
Ja.
It's not there yet.
No, because we still also ek is so dors, ek kan nie wag vir 'n ou slukkietjie nie.
So I'm gonna put in some more wood and then
Kan
let's
ons
do
'n
it.
slukkietjie vat?
Yeah, let's do it. Daar's hy, my love. Hè? Hier is ons.
En jy het goeie nuus. Ek weet jy brand om dit te sê.
Voor die tafel. Hier is ons voor die tafel. Ja.
Dis 'n lang tafel, dis 'n lekker
Dis 'n
tafel.
ronde tafel. I'm gonna taste this sweet potato crisps that they gave us.
What's your first opinion or your first thing that comes to mind? I know what I
it's nice.
tasted. Samosas?
Samosas, ja. It tastes like samosa.
Ja, Cape Malay samosas.
Ja, nogals ja. Wow.
Ja.
Maar I couldn't get my
Ja,
tongue on
taste
it.
buds.
But anyway, my love, I'm very excited. I'm going to spend about 6 or 7 minutes, 6, 7, 6,
Lekker
7.
good.
I was thinking of that song now.
Ja.
On this, just to explain to you what this is all about.
Ja.
I'm so excited. I'm so
I know.
excited. I'm
You can't
bursting.
wait.
I'm bursting. This is the big surprise.
Okay.
People, we've got a brandy sponsor.
Whoop, whoop.
Mama,
We've been waiting for that.
after almost 4 years,
Liewe land.
we've got a brandy sponsor. Wow. It's time. It's time. We just want to say thank you to Simon's Vlei for coming on board.
Wow.
For sponsoring us with their brandy. They make it themselves and the name is Numzaan. And
Noemzaan vir Lizaan.
Numzaan vir Lizaan. Yeah, they actually told us Numzaan means the head of the house.
Grootbaas.
Die grootbaas. Yeah, the head of
grootbaas.
something, yeah.
Ja.
It doesn't have to be the house, but the head of something, yeah.
Yeah. Something big.
Something big. So the owner of Simon's Vlei, he many years ago he worked at a mine and the workers always called him Numzaan.
Ja, want hy was die grootbaas.
The big shot. And then they decided, hey, they're going to call their brandy Numzaan.
Very
And
nice
I
story.
I think it's quite nice, yeah.
Yeah.
And it rolls over the tongue. Numzaan.
Noemzaan.
Vir Lizaan.
Vir Lizaan. So they
Mama?
started with a 5-year first.
Yeah, this is the 5-year, the red one. And then I think a year and a half ago,
Ja.
They-
Not
long
so
ago,
long.
yeah. A year and a half ago, they made it 3 years as well.
Yes.
We haven't actually tasted the 3-year yet. We've
No.
tasted the 5-year.
Oes is
So-
net daar op jou tong.
It's very nice. I must say, not because they're sponsoring me, it is really nice,
Nice.
brandy.
Yeah.
It's very nice. I gave my daughter and my son-in-law a taste the other night and they love
Love
it.
it.
They love it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, I'm excited.
Ja, me too.
I know you guys always think that Olof Berg sponsored us and Monster sponsored us, but we've never received anything from them. I actually contacted them. I sent them an email once, and the guy replied and said no, they're not interested. So, oh well, I thought,
Well,
yeah, let's
you
just
lose.
buy our own.
You lose.
Yeah. So now, Simon's Vlei, thank you very much. We're looking forward to a long working relationship with you guys.
Yeah.
We're gonna drink this stuff like it's cool drink.
Yes, and please support them. You can buy these at Tops, you can buy them at boutique liquor stores.
Yeah,
or
not just boutique, private liquor
private
stores.
liquor
Private
stores.
liquor
And
stores.
you can buy it at Simon's Vlei,
Yeah,
the
the
cellar
cellar,
in
yeah.
Paul.
Yeah.
And yeah.
And they've got a brandy tasting there as well. We were there the
Yes.
other day. They've got you can go to them and you can go and taste it there.
What a nice
Very
place.
nice,
We
very
had
nice.
a platter for two there. Excellent.
So, Mama, which one are we gonna try? We haven't tried this one yet.
Why don't you try one and I try another one? I'll
Oh,
show you
we can
something.
do that.
Let me show you
We
something.
can do that. I like
you
it.
Pick a bottle.
I'm gonna take this one because I've had that one.
Okay, I'm going to take this one.
Yeah.
And I just want to give this one to the grootbaas, Noemzaan.
And I want to give this one to the grootbaas Numzaan.
Yeah,
So we're both the big bosses.
we are
huh?
both the big bosses. We both wear pads
in the house.
everywhere.
Everywhere, outside, inside,
Together.
doing it together. Cheers, my love. But I really want to. You can. But it's a great idea.
Yeah.
Let's just listen how this one makes.
Okay,
Because
okay.
the others, I don't even want to mention their names anymore because they just disappointed me. But listen to this.
Okay.
They've got a
Okay.
crack. They've got a crack.
Can I smell it? Klapertrip.
Klapertrip. So we do the one. A lekker
Oorkoek is joune
lekker
daai.
rowwe skiertjie.
Is joune
Yeah, but
daai.
you're also gonna have some of that.
Not so much.
And this one, let's listen. It's got an older crack.
Yeah, yeah.
It's got an older crack.
So which one is which again, you
That's
say?
the 3 years. This is the 5
Oh,
years.
so red is 5 years.
Yeah, so this is the 5 years.
Ja.
I give you a. Oh, that's the same skiertjie.
Oh,
Mama, don't be afraid.
I'm afraid.
Never be
very
afraid.
afraid. We're
Never
in
be
the
afraid.
woods.
They say we must drink this stuff like cool drinks, so we're gonna do that. Ooh, it smells so nice. It smells so nice.
Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank
This
you.
is like yellow gold, huh?
Yes.
It's
That's
like
a
gold,
good name.
yellow gold.
Meniscus.
This is our yellow
oh,
gold.
meniscus.
Simon's Vlei, thank you very much.
This is gonna go down.
We're gonna try
very
our
nicely.
best. We're gonna try our best to drink all your brandy.
Oh yes.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Right.
This what is number is this?
That's the 5 year. This
Oh.
is the 3 year.
Okay, so 3 and 5 is my lucky number. How lucky can you
You're
get?
right. That's
How
your,
lucky can you
That's your
get?
lucky numbers 3 and
Yeah,
5.
3 and 5.
My goodness. Cheers on that again.
Liewe land, maar het 'n lekker smaakie. Oh. Wat eet ek nou weer?
That's die 5 year.
5 jaar.
It's very nice.
Come change.
It's not that big difference. This one has got a
Much
stronger,
Yeah,
deeper
deeper
taste. Yeah,
taste.
a fuller taste.
full bodied.
It's got full body. There we go. The 5 year is definitely more full body. Now that one, the 3 year, tastes more like a half body, not a full body. it's a lighter brandy.
Ja,
Huh? Is
ja.
nie so swaar nie.
Dan mag jy myne terug.
This is
Nie gee?
No, wait. That's a 5 year.
I'm a full body.
That's a full. It's got a full taste. Eh? When you put it in your mouth, it's like, oh.
Burst with flavour.
Yeah, this one is. It's definitely a lighter
So
brandy.
you
that
brandy
one.
drinkers out there,
Yeah, taste them, try
taste
them.
them, but don't taste them with the Monster. Taste them with
Coke.
ice. Ice.
Mama.
Jy moet mos dit proe so.
But that's the connoisseurs.
Yes, I'm talking about them.
Oh, you're only talking to the connoisseurs
Yes.
now? Oh, I'm
My
sorry.
goodness.
That's not me because I just gobble this stuff up. Before you go and buy your box, go for a tasting. And just
Before you
try
go
them.
buy a box, just sort out who's die groot baas in jou huis. Daai een moet dit gaan koop.
Yeah, Mama, you know what? I'm the first man to admit that I don't wear the pants in the house.
You lie. What
I don't.
is this, a Rocky?
No, I
Hier
don't.
is die
You
Rocky
know I
nie.
don't. You know I don't. But that is why our relationship is so amazing. Because I don't go against you.
When
I
you
go
were
with
younger.
you. I go with you.
Ja.
Yeah. Huh?
No, very well. This dragon is very well trained.
I'm tamed and trained.
Okay, the 7 minutes is finished. Now
No,
you can just
no.
enjoy your time with us.
Yeah, now we must just stop talking.
Yeah.
Huh?
It was something in the air. It was something in the air. I get nervous, you get closer. I feel it taking over you, and then you leave me speechless.
My love, what are you doing here? Huh?
My Henny
Dit lyk en alles soet goed.
is so goed. Dit is soos
Is it a dessert platter?
platter.
I've never had a dessert platter.
But it doesn't want to come together.
It's coming together, man.
Where?
I can see it.
What do you see?
Are we gonna have ice cream with that?
I wish.
Ja, ice cream on the motorbike.
I wish.
That's lekker.
Ja, daai is baie lekker. Weet, dit is nou die ding as jy met 'n motorfiets kom, dan is jy so bietjie ingeperk.
Don't worry. That's
Maar jy
lekker.
moet dit maak werk.
Ja, cheers. I love it. I love the time here. It's so lekker. Look, I've got my huggle on. Huh?
I'm going to put mine on right now.
Yeah, because it's damn cold. You must get it on. And the hot tub is almost ready, so we must go on. Oh shit, I'm busy at 10 places.
Oh my goodness.
I'm busy with some pop. I'm making us some pop tonight.
Pop.
Look at that. Where's my spoon? Ooh. Poppy, pop. Kyk hierso.
O, koek.
Julle gaan sien wat ek vanaand
Is
gaan
dit krummel of is dit styf?
No, this is going to be it's totally different.
What is it?
You've never had this. This is something new I'm trying tonight.
Oh my goodness.
I'm just going to show the first ingredients and that's pop.
Okay.
So that must just go a little bit. I can actually take it off. My love, this is coming along now. Yo. So I've done the pop now and I've put it in a... Look, it's just the two of us. So normally we don't make a lot of food for us.
No.
I know. That's the first thing people ask when they see us in the street. Do you eat everything? So we're trying to make less food, huh? But still interesting food.
Yeah, but it look nice.
Yeah, but this is the pop. I've put it in this little vierkantige bakkie now. And now this is going to the fridge.
Stop touching
Mama,
it.
my hands are clean. Now this is going to the fridge. Will you open the fridge for me, please? No, not the deep freeze.
Freezer.
Not the
Not the
fridge.
freezer.
The fridge.
The-
There we go.
Okay.
So it must go in there, and now it must just cool off and set. And then I will show you the rest. Hi, pap is lekker. Oh my goodness. I don't know.
Now we're going to do the hot
I don't know what's nicer, the pop or the brandy.
Oh,
But I think the brandy is like 10 points ahead.
Yeah, that's putting it lightly.
Oh.
Okay,
Okay, have you got your costume on?
not yet.
Because the water is hot. People just look at this. Look at this. Look at the mountains at the back there. The sun is on the tips of the mountains.
Brink of breaking.
Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. The fire is still going in the hot tub there. But I think it's time to get in. Oh, it's beautiful here. I love it. And it's quiet. It's such a beautiful evening.
I just want to jazz up the hot tub.
Jazz it up.
Jazz it up.
How do you want?
Just a little bit.
Okay, I see what you're doing here. You're bringing the romance in.
I'm bringing the romance.
Ah,
You've got it.
I've got it. Always the romance, Mama. Always the romance. Oh, you look nice in your, lekker hot in your hagel, huh? We haven't had this on since last winter, yeah.
Yeah.
But I still love my hagels. Oh, it's nice. I just want to show you, like they say, a boer maak 'n plan. Look at this. Because we came with a bike, I only had space for this small little speaker. But if you, it's something I bought in Thailand many years ago. But if you put it in here, look, listen to that. It actually gets some bass. This evening is gonna go well. Mama, what are you doing? You're putting on your... Oh my goodness. I'm not allowed to come in. Sorry, she's putting on a costume. I can't show you that. Oh, it's beautiful here. My goodness. I love it. Just look at this big tree in front here. Whew. Luckily, it's not full moon. It's just a quarter moon. Luckily. Otherwise, there was trouble. Say my love. Now we right where we belong. Huh? Oh, can you feel this hot water coming in here?
I love it.
Huh?
I love it.
It's hot, huh?
But don't burn yourself.
No, I know. I mustn't do that.
I like it.
I know later tonight when this is
Yeah.
a couple of them in further in. As ek 'n paar van hulle in het, man.
Ja.
Then I'm gonna burn myself here. I know that.
Daai kind te bietjie.
No, but then you're gonna burn yourself.
No, I'm far from
Yeah,
that.
but that fire is gonna go down now.
Oh, jy sit weer lekker naby, né?
Mama,
Cheers.
cheers. You like my
Ja.
my music box?
Hey, diep klank.
No, it's not that deep, but it's deeper than that small little thing.
That's
Oh, it's lekker.
Het vir ons gered vanaand.
Stop it. Anyway.
Ek dop as bergwater, mens kan nie sien nie.
Kan jy nie? Ek weet nie of mens kan sien nie. Anyway, what I wanted to say, waarvan het ons gepraat?
Die lekker hot tub.
Oh yeah. Anyway, what I wanted to say is, look at this. This is the reason why we love this hot tub.
Yes,
huh?
son.
Come on, just look at this. It's small.
A great design.
It's small. It's for two people, obviously. But just look at how comfortable it is. I can sit like this and I'm completely under the water.
Yeah, and I can't stop watching Tub ZA, and I saw the new one is
Yeah.
from Cedarwood.
Yeah, did you
What
see the
a
new?
nice thing.
Did you see the new advert?
That's not all. We stopped at Spar in Ceres.
We bought
We
ice,
bought ice,
cool drink,
Coke. Oil,
Yeah.
broodkrummels, suurroom,
So we had
a
to.
slide,
We had to carry bags.
bags between my legs with ice.
Mama, no.
That's not nice.
That's not nice. The ice is that doesn't sound right. That just doesn't sound right.
There was no other way. to
Ice
get it
between the
here.
legs. No. I'm so sorry for you. Cheers. But at least you defrosting
got
now.
it here.
Hey, at least you defrosting now.
I am defrosting now for the first time. Oh goodness.
This is what I live for. Huh? This is why we like coming to these places.
6-7 minutes coming up.
No, I'm not going to take that long. Don't give me iets gehoor.
Dat heb ik iets gehoord.
I'm not going to take that long. I just wanted to say this is why I love these places.
2 minutes past.
You've got the hot tub,
Yeah.
you've got the nature, the mountains, the quarter moon,
the company.
the company,
The brandy.
Mama, this brandy is next level.
Out
Huh?
of this world.
This brandy is next level.
Wow.
I,
Numzan.
I can't believe all these years I thought there was just one brandy.
Oh my goodness.
Now I actually realized that I was like one-minded or hoe sê
Ja.
mens,
Single-minded.
single-minded, yeah. I never tasted anything else or
Why?
I don't know why, but this is next level. This is so nice. Oh. People, this is getting ridiculous.
Real.
This is getting real. I don't know, Mama. I'm telling you, these top ZAs, if you sit in this thing,
Do stuff to people.
it's
Ah.
it's ridiculous. But I'm telling you, it's getting late. Mama, so if we want to eat tonight, otherwise I must buy tomorrow morning for us. Huh? But I'm hungry.
You get my vote there.
I'm hungry. When I get hungry, I get angry.
Hangry.
Hangry.
Oh, my. I'll have to
But-
serve you a dessert platter then.
I still want the dessert platter.
Yeah.
Definitely.
That is already.
You see,
Done.
so we have to buy it. We can't just eat the dessert platter.
Why not?
Mama, I think
You decide.
I'm gonna listen. I think it's after 10 already.
Bye.
Listen, people, this is not normal for us. It's normal, but only at home. not
It's normal.
not in
but
the
only at home.
not in the
Don't
not in
try
public.
this.
Yeah, not in public. But anyway, we just had a lekker evening. It was very nice.
No, I'm not hungry, actually.
I'm hungry. I'm gonna light that fire now. I know we're gonna eat like 1 o'clock, but it's fine.
But everything is fine. If you eat it 1 o'clock, if you eat it tomorrow morning,
My love,
doesn't matter. Just get it in.
we must get out of this water now.
I'm so struggling with that.
I'm gonna get out now.
You're gonna
Because this
really-
water it's not the brandy. This water is doing something to me.
It's so good for your skin.
Bergwater.
Bergwater. Die skoonste water wat jy kan kry.
Mama, I'm gonna get out now. I'm gonna put my goggles on.
Oh God.
I'm gonna drop everything and put my goggles on.
As if you got something on now.
Ja man, ek het
Joke,
mos al
joke,
ietsie.
joke, joke, joke,
Don't-
joke,
don't
joke.
put-
Ag, moet tog nou net nie by ons
Ek wil net sê,
stel
don't put thoughts in their minds. But I'm gonna drop everything, put my goggles on. I'm gonna light the fire,
Yeah.
and then you stay here. Because this is the best spot.
This is the best part.
I will come and get you
And
later.
you can warm it up again.
So I'm just gonna light the fire, come back in
Oh,
here, and then
goodness.
20 minutes later, I'm gonna chase you out of here. Then we must go and drive.
Maar my slaai is klaar gemaak.
Ja, maar ons moet nog, oh my, ek moet nog koekies bak. Ons moet nog koekies bak. Oh my goodness. This is a crazy evening. I love it.
Oh, I love it.
Life is good.
Jy slaap, dit is so hard om die whisper joh.
Whisper, oh my god. I told you we're not gonna whisper tonight.
Maar wat 'n lekker plek.
What a great evening.
Huh?
Huh? I
Jeez.
just love it.
Ja.
I love everything about it. I love you. I love the brandy. I love this hot tub.
I just wanted to say, top Z
Yeah,
time
I just love everything. I
for
love
the greatest experience.
I love the fairy lights, or not the
Yeah.
fairy, the
solar
lights.
lights.
down the passage here.
I love the hammock.
Paadjie. The hammock. You're gonna lie in the hammock now.
Met 'n kombersie.
Ek weet dit is koud buitekant.
Yes.
It's very cold. Listen to that nice music.
Woo.
Maar that speaker key, I had to put it inside because it ran flat. It ran flat.
But at least if
it's-
you've got a motorbike and you've got this little speaker in there.
Yeah, I just had to plug it in again. Now it's playing from inside, but it's
Oh.
very soft.
But it's enough.
But you know what? Maybe that's a good thing because
Yeah.
we're in nature.
Yes.
We must listen to everything, but I don't hear anything.
Ek hoor krieke.
Hoor jy krieke?
Ek hoor
I
krieke.
hear nothing. I just want to hear the fire.
Wil jy sweet nothing hoor?
No, I want to hear the fire.
Sê hoe's hulle.
Ja.
Hulle so.
Wanneer?
This week, nothing's for you.
I want to hear the fire. Listen, I'm sorry, this is not 6-7, 6-7.
Daai
This
tyd
is,
is verby.
yeah, this is
Dit is 8,
15,
9, 8, 9.
this is 15 minutes. I'm sorry. But anyway, we're just enjoying ourselves. Well, I'm going to get it out now. I'm going to light the fire. I'll be back.
You must please
Yeah,
fill
I'm
this
gonna
up.
I'm gonna be back. Lighting the fire, gonna be back with a full glass,
Okay.
and then we move.
Where?
We just sit here.
Just gonna come and collect me.
Ooh, I'm scared of this evening. Freaking finally, I got Lizanne out of the hot tub. I'm bringing her some wine glasses. Papa brings some bietjie wine glasses. Mama,
Ja,
I'm bringing her some wine glasses.
I'm laying low.
I see that I've brought the wine already, the BC
thank
wines.
you.
Look at that in the smoke, puppy.
Yeah.
It just shows you these bottles can take smoke as well.
They're smoking hot.
Oh, what the hell?
Smoking hot.
Are you going to sleep here?
No,
Huh?
I'm
But-
just waiting for my meat.
At least I'm so happy you're out of the hot tub because that was a struggle.
Oh my goodness,
That was a
it's just
struggle.
the nicest. I can't get out.
Oh, well, that's yours.
But this is big glasses.
I'm telling you,
my
huh?
goodness, can I hold yours as well?
Yeah, I want some red wine tonight. So I'm going to
Okay.
give you some white wine. Let me just crack this bottle.
Ooh.
Is that yours?
Yeah, this is my side.
Oh, I hear the music at the back there, but it's very faint. Okay, that's yours. Whoop, 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 puppy.
Whoop, cookies.
Kom hier bloed, hier kom hier bloed.
Van de grijp.
Azay. Cheers, mama.
Red and wine.
On a crazy nice evening.
Oh,
Huh?
wow.
This was what the people. If you don't do
Always.
this, if you don't get off your couch in front of
Yeah.
the TV and you get out here and you experience this, you haven't lived.
It's wasted.
You haven't lived.
Yeah.
Huh? This is so nice, people. Good for the marriage, mama. And good for the soul.
Yeah, as well.
Every time we come to these places, it's like I'm recharged.
Yeah,
I can go
that's
on
the
again.
thing.
Yeah. Because we've got quite a busy life.
Yeah.
But every time we come to these places, it's like put it in 6th gear. Huh? Ag gaat ons. Cheers. BC, Papi, dankie BC. Julle wyn bly die beste. It's very nice. We love this wine of yours.
Cheers.
Cheers. On a great evening. Oh, is lekker hè? Woo. Mama,
Goeie papi.
I'm gonna swing you like a baby tonight.
For how long?
How many hours? I don't know. As long as the wood keeps on burning.
Okay.
But once there's coals, hey, I must still go and make my stuff. I forgot about it. It's in the fridge. I'm sure it's cold and stiff already.
Yeah.
So
Settled.
now, set.
Settle, baby, settle.
It's set. Stiff doesn't sound nice.
No.
It's set.
Jy kan maar bietjie Afrikaans ook praat, dan verstaan hulle dan
it's
bietjie beter.
difficult, this English, dis mengels. Ek lees nou die dag op Facebook, die mense sê ons praat mengels. Hey, but it's difficult.
Probeer jy wat Afrikaans
Ja.
is, 'n uur lank Engels praat.
Wanneer jy-
Dis moeilik.
Wanneer jy brandewyn en wyn saam drink.
Intoxicated.
It's not easy. But we're doing it, Papi. We're
Doing it together.
We've been doing it for 4 years, and I'm not going to get nostalgic tonight, but it's amazing to think that we've been making videos for 4 years, Mama. Cheers on that. It's not easy, people. It's easy to make 1 TikTok video or 2 Instagram reels.
Seconds.
That's easy. But make long videos like this, it's not easy.
It's very easy.
But we do it very deliciously.
It's very easy.
Just look at this. You're going to look into the light now, but just look at that. Fire, the house at the back. Oh my goodness. Huh?
En die wyne op die stomp.
Die wyne op die stomp, die wyne is op die stomp, papi, en die wyne is in die glas. Cheers, mama.
Yes.
I love it with you. Yeah, I want to kiss now.
Come on.
I want to kiss not under the full moon, but I want to kiss under this big tree with a fire in my eyes.
Oh my word.
And the quarter
All
moon
your-
and the quarter moon behind us. Huh?
All your best.
I just want a kiss. Mama, no
Och, maar
tongue,
jy's
no
lekker
tongue, no tongue.
Jy's lekker warm hoor.
Hagels, papi, hagels. Hagels is die ding vir die winter. Oh, people, we're silly tonight. I'm sorry. Next time we will be more
Reserve.
reserved. Dankie, mama.
The pains.
But tonight,
The pains.
this place just, I don't know. It just,
Talks to you.
it talks to me and it do things to my body that I'm not used to.
I'm not used to
I'm just making us some onion and tomato stew.
Oh,
But
nice.
I'm charring this now. Look at that.
Yes,
You
I see it.
It's got some lekker char on it.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's
then,
good.
And then because we came with a motorbike, we didn't bring fresh tomatoes. So we sommer gooi
Ja, waar the hell moet jy dit nou kry?
Ja, nee, tomato paste in, or what do you call this?
Yep,
stuff?
yep.
And then we just gooi it, papi. Look at that.
There's some salt.
Salt and pepper.
And pepper.
You can grind that for us. Salt and pepper in there.
Watter kant gaan dit uitkom?
That side. Yeah, okay. Ja, it's late in the evening, I know. Maar, sien dit, handjies.
Daar het ek nou die sout weet.
Yeah, and some pepper. But there's more salt outside. I don't understand it. Look at that. On that plate, there's more salt outside than inside.
Dit is nie waar nie.
Mama, I'm so happy you helping me. Huh?
Maar risk is
Because
dit.
this is-
Maar risks.
Maar
Rask.
ja.
What do you call it?
Mama is een mot hier. Your
My arms is a bit.
This mot is just, it just loves me. It comes back to me every time.
Hey. Oh my jou. This is
Oh, that's
new.
enough. That's enough.
Okay.
I just see
Dis
pepper.
die mot.
That's what Carl
Die mot
always
is
say.
daaronder. Ek gaan verbrand.
Oh, it's in the end of the
Goes
mot.
on, goes on.
Yeah. It's like what Carl always say. If you can't see it, you can't taste it.
Yep.
You're gonna lick your fingers tonight.
Whoa.
This is gonna be lip lekker.
Lip lekker.
Lip lekker. There's only some words you can only say in Afrikaans.
Ja, hoe is dit?
Lip lekker. Hoe sê jy dit in Engels? You can't. Okay, I think that is it, papi. That is it. Huh?
O ja.
Oh yeah, it smells. You smell that
Lip
you smell that-
lekker.
You smell that pepper, says Mama. On a great evening.
Cheers.
What are you drinking?
I'm not
Brandy
sure.
again?
There's glasses standing all around. I just pick
You
one.
drinking brandy again? Huh?
I just pick anything.
As I my love, this is set now. Oh, look at that, papi. Look at that.
Stok
Huh?
safe.
And now I'm just gonna flip this thing. Look at this. And I'm sure it's gonna.
Oh, it flipped.
You see, it flipped.
It
Came
flipped.
out. Now, Mama, we're gonna cut this into blocks. Remember, this is the pap, ne?
Ja.
This is
9 blocks.
The mini pap. I'm just gonna.
I'm suspecting 9 blocks.
Yeah, it looks like it. 3 and 3.
Yeah,
Mama,
it's
you're
what?
clever, huh? For this time of the evening. You're very clever. Oh, look at that.
Ewe groot, kyk nou daai.
Ja,
Perfectionist.
not really. No,
Nie
man.
reg, maar wat maak dit op?
Okay, that's it. Now it looks like fudge.
Ja.
Now
what
we're
you gonna
gonna-
do with the fudge?
I'm gonna roll this in egg. But I'll show you.
Okay, this is the first
This
part.
is the first step of
Ja.
making
What?
delicious food.
What are you calling it?
No, I've got no name for this one.
What about a red blanket?
A red blanket. That, Mama? A sausage in the red blanket.
Infused.
The sausage in the red blanket.
Okay.
We're making a sausage in the red blanket tonight.
Oh my goodness.
They've got a swart potjie. A pot. A lekker potjie kos pot.
Oh,
Huh?
ja.
Look at that.
Freaking hell, fantasties.
Yeah, so I'm gonna need and it's brand freaking spanking new. It's never been used. It seems like these people just don't
Make potjies.
make potjie. What? But anyway, I'm gonna put
A
oil.
special recipe in.
I'm gonna put oil in here. This is the oil that's gonna start the car.
No petrol.
Listen to that.
It's not 40 rand a liter.
No, it's not like diesel 40 rand.
It's 34 rand a liter. Say no, sorry.
Wat sê mama?
It's
That's in-
34 rand for 750.
So-
Actually, just as expensive.
Oil is very expensive. Anything that's oil driven is expensive.
Oh my goodness, yeah.
Mama, this must
Why?
go to the fire now. No?
Swinging along.
Swinging away. Look at this. We got some fireflies. Look on the tree there.
Ooh.
You see?
Great stuff.
All of a sudden we were sitting here enjoying our wine and then we just see what is going on here.
Everybody want BC wines.
I can't believe we're both on this. Hey, I see my boat.
Ek het hom.
Put away my boat.
Ek het hom.
I can't believe we're both on this thing, huh?
On the single hammock swinging away.
A single hammock. Mama, did you see the moon? Look at that. It's just a quarter.
Cirkelman.
It's a circle
Ja,
man.
ja,
It's a
seker man.
quarter.
Hy plan
I want to.
Sit stil.
I want to move. I want to move.
Nee, ek hou jou boot ook nog vas.
Oh
Jy
shit,
moet
die boot.
stil
Hoekom is die
sit.
boot oop?
Hy moet stil sit.
Okay, sorry. Just put that. Ja, maar that is okay. I can just feel my boat is
Coat.
is naked. My boat is naked.
Naked,
En
dan naked.
Me and you naked.
What the hell?
Woo. Mama, this is a nice evening. I love it. I love it. This fire is still going nice and strong, huh? Yes, it's nice,
Nice
and hot.
not.
But I need some more wine now.
I just want to say you must please stay tuned because tomorrow morning we are going to give away another 3 bottles of BC wine.
Yes, we're gonna do that, and maybe tomorrow morning we're gonna braai. Because I don't know if we're gonna get to braai tonight.
Let's check it out.
Let's check it out. I'm gonna get the potjie now.
Go on.
Listen to that music. Oh my mind. Mama, jy moet stadig daar.
Ek gaan 'n bietjie hoor klop.
Ja, klop op my knie. Hoe planmakertjie. Let's go.
Nagblind is 'n moeilike ding.
Just feel that water. Is it still hot?
Low.
Low, okay.
How low can you go?
I can go low.
Go low, go low.
My knees just don't want to do it anymore. Look at this. This is so freaking nice and red in here.
Ooh, I
I'm
see
just
it.
gonna pour it in
my
the middle
word.
here.
Just put it in.
Yeah, I'm just gonna like that.
Oh
That's
my
it.
goodness.
I gooi it in the middle. That thing must get boiling hot. So what we do now is you take this lekker blokkie, mama, and you put it in this egg mixture like so. And then in the breadcrumbs.
Oh,
Look at that, look at that, look at that.
soos 'n broodjie.
And you just gooi
Soos
it
'n
over.
pan
Ja, jy
met
just gooi it over
sade op.
Look at that. Look at that. You see? It's completely covered. So you do all of this. All of them. In the egg and in the breadcrumbs. Woo! This is going to take a while, so I think I'm going to do this on my own. Tanzai, look at this. That's all of them. Done and dusted. Now it must go into the oil. Mama, where's that? Here we go. I just want to take the spoon with. It's a lekker spoon hier, yeah. Woo! Mama, you see the fireflies?
Ja, beautiful, hey?
I think this oil is going to be very, very hot
Oh,
now.
shit.
I think this oil is going to be
Just
very hot.
submerge one at a time.
Oh, look at that.
Sizzle,
Mama, come closer,
sizzle.
come closer. Look at that.
Sizzle,
It's
sizzle,
actually
sizzle.
the perfect heat. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. But I have to get a full picture of the chef.
The chef is busy, puppy. The
Sizzling
chef
as well.
is making name for himself.
Oh my greatness.
Just, oh my
Just
goodness.
so.
It's so quick.
Take it out, take it out.
That one must come out. Oh, that was too much.
Wow, that's quick.
Jeez, this was quick.
Like my goodness.
Mama, I'm battling.
Now you've got it.
Look at that, look at that.
Wow, that is like 5 seconds.
That's very quick.
Dis die 6-7 hierdie nonsens. hè.
I say. Look at that.
Oh,
Okay, that one is a bit overdone.
my word.
At least we're there, huh?
Wow.
That was so
That
quick.
was like
That was
seconds.
crazy. Woo.
Seconds.
Okay, I've got this. Now, this is going onto our plates with a tomato, and I must just braai some sausage.
Whoa.
Woo! Mama,
Kom ons
this
nou.
was quick. Okay, that one, I'll eat that one. That's the Bernie one.
It's not
Yo,
Bernie.
I think I want to put this one in.
No.
A little bit more.
No,
Look at
that was
Yeah,
my
that
favorite
was-
one.
Oh, you want
Take it out.
just 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4,
4,
5,
5,
10,
6, 7.
15, 20,
Take it out.
25, 30.
Take it out.
Ooh, look at that, look at that.
Maar I always
That oil
like
is
the lightly.
crazy hot. Jeez, look at that.
Wow, that is crazy.
Yo, okay, I must get this pot off here. Mama, this is nice and red. Okay, and all of a sudden, there's a little bit of a breeze that came
Yeah,
up.
yeah, yeah.
Huh? Where did this come from?
I don't care.
But look at the stars. You see the stars?
Yeah, very
I know
bright.
you won't see it on this camera.
Light and bright.
But these stars are so bright. Yo.
And we've got an audience watching.
Yeah, all these fireflies. Look at they flashing for us.
Yeah, very
Hey,
nice.
stop flashing. Mama, I'm going to get the grit and I'm going to start the meat.
Yep,
Let's gooi it, Poppy.
gooi dit. Jy moet pas op hou op daai rooster, hoor.
I just wanted to say, my love, when you come to this place, I love this place. It's so nice.
Amazing.
But you mustn't bring a lot of meat.
Ja.
Because I cannot find any other grit. I can only find this one. I don't know if I'm just stupid, but there's just nothing. Hoe sê julle? Die hele ding moet in.
Ja.
Die hele ding moet op.
En jy dink is 'n klein roostertjie, maar dit is nie regtig
Yeah,
nie.
well, it's done now.
For 2 people, more than enough.
When you book this place, bring a light. You see, like this, because there's no light at the braai.
Just a fireflighters.
It's just the fireflies, but they don't make light.
it's just beautiful.
I don't know if there's a. I can't see any spotlight. And I haven't seen a switch where you can put it on. I've
No
tried
worries.
all over, so there's no light here. So just bring your own light, like a portable light, a battery light, for the braai area. Otherwise, this is an amazing place. Woo! Mama. This feels like jumping.
You always have more the energy than me.
Yeah, but this music is so soft. I just want to bring it closer. Hold my glass, please. Just want to bring the music closer. I say, this is what we're listening to. Huh? What is nicer than this? Papi! Maar gooi regsie. Gooi 'n bietjie daai kant toe.
O, maar ja, amper
wanna
stamp
be
jy
by-
in die
No, no,
vuur.
no, I want to be by the fire. I'm cold.
Oh,
Kap 'n bietjie regs. Daar's
Hierdie
hy.
kant?
Daar's hy. It's cold. It's cold out there.
it's very cold.
It is cold.
Luckily, we have warm blankets on the bed.
Yours is already on. I saw it. I saw the light. Mama, you keep this for me. Let me just turn this rooster. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness.
Can I help you?
Wait. I say. Woo, it's coming along. It's coming along. Lekker man. Woo. This feels like camping. I don't know why. You know why? I know why.
Camping, glamping,
I know why. Because we're away from the house.
Yeah,
It
it's
feels
another
like-
area.
Yeah, it's another area. It feels like we're in like in the bush, in the veld. I love it. Woo, I feel like climbing this tree.
Relax, baby, relax.
Look at that house behind me. Yella? You don't understand. This is such a cool place. Huh, my love?
Yep,
This is so nice.
I agree.
You agree? Will you come again?
Yeah.
That's always the question. If you tell me, yes, I will come again, I
And
know.
this was without any hesitation.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw that. So then I know. That's a great place.
Worth it. Woo.
Cheers, my love. On one of our best evenings ever. I'm sorry it's so freaking late. Where's my phone? I don't know.
Doesn't matter.
I don't know. This is crazy, but it doesn't matter what time it is. It's always a good time with you. Always. Now I wanna. Hey, I'm just gonna move these bottles. Hey, Mama, my bottle is empty. The red one is finished.
What, you haven't even...
Oh my goodness. Huh? No, but that's such a nice wine. Listen, now I want to teach you how to do this. Can I do this?
Yeah, teach me.
I'm gonna give you that one. Oh,
Okay.
that looks nice. Bring your plate closer. Jose. I know you're just gonna eat one. You want
Yeah.
two?
No, one is...
Let me give you two.
No, do
Huh?
one at a time.
One at a time. My love, and then you put some of this onion and tomato stew on.
Both on
It's nice and hot. It's nice and hot. It's burning my hands, but look at that. Look at that. Puppy. No, I wanna smother
Okay,
you.
yeah,
I wanna smother you, puppy.
Smother me with love.
And then you take a piece of sausage. It's nice and hot. And we put I'm gonna break it for you because you can't put the whole one on like that.
Oh, you're gonna stack it, baby.
I'm gonna stack it.
Oh,
Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna take
have
two.
some.
I'm gonna take two and I'm gonna gooi hierdie oudjies oor soos daai.
En ek gaan 'n bietjie van die broccoli slaai.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Daar.
Jette julle. This is the end of me.
Oh no.
Oh my
that is
goodness.
the end of it.
Look at that. Look at that. And I'm gonna take two sausages.
Oh my goodness.
Why? Because I can.
Freaky.
I'm gonna take two sausages. Go on there. Mama, you want a piece of chicken as well?
No.
Lekker. No, I'm gonna give you one. A piece of deboned chicken.
Thank you very much.
Deboned chicken thigh. It goes nice with a. Ooh. It goes nice with a pop. What is this, you said?
Broccoli.
Broccoli. Oh, my favorite again. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. This plate is just going from bad to worse.
Ridiculous.
And then I take some garlic jalapeno.
Oh yeah.
Mayonnaise.
Favorite.
And that is gonna go over my. I don't want to squirt it out of the small hole. I want the big hole.
The small one.
Ooh, kom papi, kom. Val uit, val uit. Val uit. Val jou mag uit. That's gonna be nice. Cheers, mama. This is gonna be nice. I love these adventures of ours.
Oh,
I just love it. And I love the fact that we do all this nice food, interesting food.
Jy het 'n groot hoop daar beter.
I get a whoopie bit, but now you take this, you take your. Look at these knives, Mama. I saw these knives. I thought,
It's like
what
spear
the hell?
guns.
This is like toothpicks.
Speerkant.
This is a small little knife. Have we got forks as well? Oh,
Yeah.
I've got my fork in here.
Yeah.
So you take
The
the.
hook knife.
Wacht even, you take some sausage, some relish, and the pap all together.
The fried pap.
Oh my goodness! And you put it in your mouth.
This is something else.
Nice. Huh? Wow.
This is something else.
You never had this, huh? Never. I like the breadcrumbs on the pop, huh?
Yeah.
Yo. You're right. This is next level. How can life get any better? I love.
Got a big board there.
I've got a big board, a big plate. Cheers. And cheers to you guys. Thank you for all your support. all your love. We love it. We still love what we do. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Morning, my love. Here we are again, huh?
Not so bright.
Ooh, sorry now.
Cheers on that. Goodness.
This is just
Nes-
orange juice.
Ja, ek wou nou net sê.
Yeah, no alcohol today, huh? This is crazy. This life of ours, we must stop it, huh? Yeah.
But when it's good, it's good.
How nice is this?
This is nice.
Jeez. I had my coffee this morning in bed, and now I've got my orange juice. This day is starting well. Huh?
Yeah.
And last night, sorry, I just want to say last night, when we finished, we went to bed and we had a dessert platter in bed with
In
all the
bed.
chocolates, and that was quite nice.
There was no crumbs in bed, don't
No,
worry.
there's no crumbs in the bed. She's very particular about that. But, oh, that was a lekker plattertjie. Huh?
Ja, nou is ons skoon soet.
Yeah, so it's the first time you made a dessert platter.
Ja,
That was quite nice.
ja. Okay, while we're having breakfast,
Oh, what are we having?
it's last night's chicken.
Oh, the chicken and on a bun.
Yeah,
Lekker.
so while we're here, we're just going to do a recap on this beautiful place.
That's an amazing place. I love it.
But before we start, will you just please tell us how to get here? We had such a lovely ride yesterday. I just remembered two things. We went op die liefdepad en toe is ons in Michelle se pas. Dis
Wat
al.
die liefdepad. Well,
Die
where was that?
liefdepad. Daar's 'n bordjie.
Yeah, we had a great drive yesterday with the bike. We went over the Tuiskloof Pass. Oh, and it was a beautiful day. It was just, there's not a lot of traffic on that pass.
No.
Which is very, very nice.
Yeah.
We had two trucks there, but otherwise there was nothing. And it's so nice to go up there and the nice view of Paarl and Wellington at the bottom. Ach, that's one of my best views.
Yeah.
I love that pass too. You never drive through the tunnel with a bike. Never. You always go over the mountain.
Yeah.
That's the best view ever.
Yeah.
And then we got here to the farm, Fairfield, and wow, what an amazing, amazing entrance. When you go to the reception, through those trees. Oh my goodness, that is just next level. And then you go to the reception and you get your keys and everything, and they will explain to you how to direct you how to get to this place. It's
Not
very
difficult.
organized, very nice. Yeah, it was actually because we got lost, not this time, but at other places.
Yes.
We've got lost a couple of times.
Yeah.
But this was very easy.
Very easy.
Yeah, they just, and everything is marked. There's signs all over to tell you where to go, so it's nice.
Yeah, and there's not just one cottage. This Whispering Woods is the 2-sleep one, a container.
Yeah, this is for a couple.
Yeah, then they've got 3 other houses. 2 is 6 sleep and another one I think is 12 sleep. It's a big house. They've got a communal swimming pool there for the houses to use. You can also, if you stay here, you can use the swimming pool.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
They've got hiking trails on the farm. One is like a 30 minutes one and the one is over 2 hours hiking. I think they mentioned something about a waterfall you can walk to.
Maybe in the winter months there's water
There's
there.
water.
Yeah.
It's serious. There's
Yeah,
water
yeah,
in
there's
the
gonna be
winter.
water, yeah.
And then also there's a lot of animals walking around here. There's haridas, there's fish eagles. I read it in the information book. So if you come here, I like it. If I go to a place, when I get there, I read the information book.
Yeah, you like
Then I
that.
know the Wi-Fi password. I know how the TV works. He already know how the hot tub works. So very nice information they give you in that leaflet.
About everything.
Yeah, and this is a pet-friendly place.
Oh yeah, it's pet friendly. Yeah.
It's pet-friendly.
That's nice.
Yeah, very nice. There's a dam somewhere here. They say you can bring your canoe if you want to. You can canoe
Sure.
on the dam.
we actually passed the dam yesterday.
Yeah,
I
yes.
saw the Fairfield Dam.
Yes,
It was on
yes.
your right hand side.
Yeah.
Yeah, and so while we're at it,
Let's give away another prize.
Yeah, but I just want to congratulate the people that won the Magnums. We gave away 2 of those big Magnum bottles. And now we're going to do, for this month, we're going to do the 3-pack BC wines again.
Whoop, whoop.
Yeah, so what must I do?
Okay, let's make it easy. Subscribe, tag everybody you know, and send us a message to tell us what is your favorite drink.
Yeah, favorite drink. That's
Yeah.
nice.
Yep.
What concoction do you drink?
Yeah.
What mixture do you like? Vodka and what?
And cocktails
Toothpaste.
and whatever.
Gin and toothpaste.
Yes. Oh my goodness.
Or vodka and peanut butter.
Oh my goodness.
What is the most interesting combination of drink that you drink?
Yeah, or that you ever drink.
And we will draw from that there. You can comment down below in the description, or you can comment on our Facebook group, Doing It Together.
Yeah.
So we will draw from that.
We'll taste them all and choose one.
We taste them all. I'm not going to drink vodka and toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
But yeah, the winner will get 3 bottles of BC wine.
Yeah.
I will contact you. Just please make sure that I can get hold of you, and then we will send it to you. Mama,
Yeah.
this is quite nice, this broodjie.
Yeah, I
Huh?
love this chicken. Yeah.
Chicken and mayonnaise is nice.
Yeah.
Oh, but this is magic, this. Huh?
Yeah.
Under this big tree. I love it. So did you say everything you wanted to say?
I think so.
Oh. Okay. So we're going to finish this, and we will definitely see you on the next one. Remember to subscribe, ne?
Tag everybody you know
And
and send us your favorite drinks.
yes, remember to do that. And then you might just be lucky. That's it. Cheers, Mama. That was a nice one. And it's still going to be nice. On to the next one.
On to the
We'll
next
see you on the
one.
next one. Bye.